Hi, I'm Vikramaditya,
Hi, I'm Chunali Pawar.
Myself, Varun Muralidharan.
Myself, Vidhi Jain.
This is Nilakshi Kondekar,
a second-year communication design student.
Student of Fashion Design Sem 3.
a product design student.
Second year interior design student.
I'm pursuing my communication degree at Parul University.
The thing that I like about this college are the courses that are offered to students like us.
It's really amazing to see how my design turns into accurate drawings and 3D models.
For me personally, just having classroom experiences or projects are not sufficient. That's where Powell provides you with industrial visits.
For me, technology plays a very crucial role when it comes to design. We use 3D printers to create our ideas into real-world prototypes.
What I love the most is how every day feels like a mix of learning and creativity.
Every day I'm learning how to mix creativity and technical skills.
I enjoy how we are given the space where we can blend our inspiration from art, culture, or even from nature.
They give us an hands-on experience as well as a new vision on how the industry works and what industry standards are.
I'm learning technical drawings, how to create design ideas, which helps me to turn my ideas into real life projects.
Here at Parul Institute, we combine both technology and creativity to solve real-world problems.
No matter what your interest is, there's always a course for you.
That's what makes it worth it.
Thank you.